Hi, welcome back. This is Sanjay Kumar Verma from Unikaksha. So, my dear friend, in the earlier session, we have already seen how to create a EVS volume and how to attach of your EVS volume with your EC2 instance, right? And we have already seen how to interpolate of your resources with another resource, right? So now in this session we are going to discuss, that means, how to know how many resources are going to manage by the Terraform, and when Terraform is going to provision of any resources in the backend, that means how Terraform is creating of the resources, how it's managing, how to get the detail, right? So let's see. So this is my Linux machine where I have the Terraform, correct? So friends, we have a command Terraform state list. That means using of the state list, I can get how many resources are managed by the Terraform. Alright. So currently you can see I am managing the EVS volume, which name is data1, right? I am managing EC2 instance, which name is my server, right? And I also have another one more security group, which name is Uniserver, and I have another resource. That means I have attached this volume with this, right? So now, but I want to get the output in the graph, right? So Terraform have a utility, or you can say command, like Terraform graph. Actually, yeah, you can see it's showing something command true, new rank true, subgraph something. So it's not able to understand for me, right? I want to take the output in the graph format. So what to do? You have to install a package in your machine which name is GraphViz. So yum install graph just a second. I think I'm supplying wrong name. So this is Viz V. Yes. Okay. Perfect. And friend, you can verify GraphViz. That means it's available for every distribution. Here, GraphViz.org. Yeah, like that it will show you the graph. It's available for Ubuntu, Red Hat, CentOS, whatever, correct? So this package is successfully installed in my machine. So now what I want to execute Terraform graph pipe, right, dot hyphen t png, type of the file, redirect, and share the name, any name. You can define the name, my server dot png, correct? It will create a graph of your entire resources. My server dot png. Let me check now my home directory. myserver.png file name is. Yes friends, this is available inside the my project directory. So what to do, let me copy this cp myserver.png inside the root and document downloads. Right, now let me close. Yes, now you can see the output of this. Like this, it's going to manage of your resources. Correct? So first of all, you have executed. That means first of all, it's executed AWS volume attach your first, right? After this, it's a created of your instance, and it is this volume is dependable on this. That means these two resources, this one and this one, is created simultaneously, right? After this, it's created the security group, right? So this is a way in the backend how Terraform is working. That means if you want to get the layout of your resources, you can take it using of the Terraform graph, right? Like that you can get the output. So first it attach of your EVS volume with your instance, and your security group is dependent on your EC2, right? So this is the idea behind of this. Thank you so much.